If your diesel hates mornings, glow plugs are usually why. If your diesel starts perfectly all summer, then the first chilly morning hits and suddenly it cranks forever, shakes like it's angry, and blows a little cloud before it smooths out, you're not alone. Most of the time, it's not bad diesel, not a dying starter, and not some mysterious curse. It's usually glow plugs. They're small parts, but when they fail, your engine can feel like it's falling apart, especially at cold start. A diesel engine doesn't use spark plugs. It relies on compression heat to ignite fuel. When the engine is cold, the air inside the cylinders isn't warm enough to ignite fuel cleanly, so the engine needs help. Glow plugs are little electric heaters that warm the combustion chamber area so the first few combustion cycles happen smoothly. Once the engine is warm, glow plugs matter a lot less. Symptom 1. Hard starting when cold, but fine when warm. This is the signature symptom. The engine cranks longer than normal on cold mornings, then starts and eventually runs okay once it has heat in it. If you park the car for a few hours and it starts hard again, that also fits. One bad glow plug can be enough to make a small diesel feel rough. Multiple bad glow plugs can make it feel like it barely wants to start at all. Symptom 2. Rough idle and shaking for the first minute after starting. When glow plugs aren't heating properly, some cylinders light off late or unevenly. The engine will start, but it may stumble and shake until combustion heats the cylinders. After a minute or two, it smooths out and you think, maybe it's fine. That pattern is exactly what glow plug issues often look like. Symptom 3. White or gray smoke on startup that clears quickly. Cold diesel combustion can be messy. If fuel isn't igniting cleanly at first, it can leave as white or gray smoke and a strong, raw diesel smell. If the smoke appears mainly at cold start and then fades as the engine warms, glow plugs jump up the suspect list. This is different from constant smoke while driving, which points to other problems. Symptom 4. Glow plug warning light or check engine light with glow plug codes. Many diesels have a glow plug light that should come on briefly and then go out. If it flashes, stays on, or you get a check engine light with glow plug circuit codes, the car is telling you it noticed a failure. Sometimes the glow plugs themselves are fine, and the issue is the glow plug relay, module, wiring, or a bad connector. That's why codes matter. They can tell you which cylinder or which circuit is the problem. Symptom 5. Poor fuel economy and sluggishness when the engine is cold. If the engine is struggling to burn fuel efficiently during warm-up, you can feel it as lazy throttle response and higher fuel consumption, especially on short trips. Once fully warm, it may drive normally, which makes people ignore the problem. But that cold phase is when incomplete combustion is hardest on the engine and emission system. What actually fails? Plugs, relay, or wiring? A glow plug can burn out internally like a light bulb. Connectors can corrode. Wiring can break from heat and vibration. Many modern diesels use a glow plug control module that can fail too. A good diagnosis checks the resistance or current draw of each glow plug and verifies the control module is powering them correctly. Replacement cost. Glow plugs themselves are usually not crazy expensive, but the labor and risk can be. On some engines, glow plugs are easy to access and replacement is straightforward. On others, they're buried under intake plumbing or close to the firewall. The big caution is this. On higher mileage engines, glow plugs can seize in the cylinder head. If one snaps during removal, the job can get much more complicated because the broken piece must be extracted safely. A careful mechanic uses the right technique, sometimes with penetrating oil and a warm engine, to reduce that risk. In many everyday cases, replacing a set of glow plugs lands in the hundreds range, but some vehicles can climb higher if access is tight, if the control module also needs replacement, or if one breaks and needs extraction. If only one glow plug is bad, some owners replace just that one, but many shops recommend replacing the set if they're the same age, because the others often aren't far behind.